Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X this week, published on June 2nd, 2026, which is exactly a week ago today, introduces a brand new way to test artificial intelligence. As AI agents transition from executing simple rote tasks to handling high-stakes professional workflows, evaluating their capacity for open-ended, expert-level reasoning remains a critical challenge. This paper is titled Hedge-Bench, Benchmarking Agents on Hard, Realistic Tasks Pertaining to Financial Reasoning. The most striking finding is that today's frontier large language models and agents score below 16% on these complex financial tasks. We will explore how this benchmark was built, and as we will see, the massive gap between basic calculations and true strategic reasoning is eye-opening. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 shows how several frontier models perform across two distinct measurements. The first measurement is a pass at 1 rate, which represents the probability of a model getting a perfect score on a single attempt, while the second is a dense mean score that rates overall quality on a scale from 0 to 4. Looking at the top, Claude Sonnet 4.6 leads with a pass at 1 rate of about 15%. In contrast, smaller models struggle significantly, as GPT 5.4 Mini sits at the bottom with a pass at 1 rate of under 1%. While Figure 1 highlighted how poorly models performed, Figure 2 explains the pipeline used to create and evaluate these challenging tasks. The top row illustrates how the creators gather raw financial info and transcribe actual human analyst discussions to mine core themes. The bottom half outlines the agent's workspace, which is a secure, isolated container packed with corporate documents where the model must research, write reports, and pass a rigorous 3-part evaluation. Well, Table 2 breaks down these performance metrics across 6 distinct financial areas to reveal a clear difficulty gradient. The columns represent different topics, ranging from highly structured data, like valuation, to judgment-heavy concepts like risk. Most models perform best in the valuation category, because it relies on concrete figures that are easier to anchor. In contrast, every single model family struggles with risk, which is highly qualitative and forward-looking. For instance, Claude Sonnet 4.6 achieves its highest score of 2.15 in valuation, but drops significantly in the risk category. Table 1 displays the percentage of themes and reasoning moves each model successfully covers across all tasks. Looking at the top row, Claude Sonnet 4.6 leads with 56% theme coverage and 55% valid move coverage. A valid move represents a correct reasoning step verified against expert traces that lacks any fabricated details. Interestingly, the gap between raw and valid moves highlights how often these models rely on hallucinations. Table 3 breaks down these results further by showing the pass at 1 rate, which represents the percentage of trials that achieved a perfect score in each category. Looking at the Claude family, Claude Sonnet 4.6 secures the highest rates across almost all categories, peaking at 20% in growth and expansion. Conversely, the more judgment-heavy categories like mergers and acquisitions or risk prove incredibly difficult, where several models actually score 0%. Figure 7 explores the trade-off between agentic effort and reliability. Trajectory length, which is the number of sequential reasoning steps an agent takes, strongly correlates with performance. However, deep exploration often increases the hallucination rate, representing how often models invent false details. For instance, Claude Sonnet 4.6 has a high trajectory length, but suffers from an 89% hallucination rate. Conversely, GPT 5.5 strikes an excellent balance, keeping its hallucination rate to just 37%. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Frontier models still struggle with forward-looking financial judgment, and increased reasoning effort often triggers more hallucinations. That wraps up this look at financial reasoning agents. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.